Hey everybody, Adrian here for Passport of Fun, and today I'm making a specialty drink in honor of theme parks around the world. The Fun Wheel, inspired by Disney California Adventure and the beautiful California sunset. Now we have the ingredients ready to go. Here's what we'll be using, but feel free to modify to your liking. Alright, got my Pixar inspired t-shirt on, and let's get to it. Alright, first we must have a hurricane glassware full of ice. We need to establish a base layer. We will be using Rose's sweet and sour mix at about 3 ounces for the base. You can also substitute it with pineapple juice. You want it to be yellow or golden color for the sun. Layer 2, X-rated fusion liqueur will make the pink layer for us. Pour about 1 ounce into the mix. This is a premium French vodka that will add hints of fruits. Spirit time. We are using Malibu black rum, but also found as mini Captain Morgan white rum. Like I said, you can use white or dark or porque no los dos. Pour half an ounce to 1 ounce of rum into the mix. Second spirit, we're using Kettle 1 vodka. Add half an ounce into the mix. Add some club soda to make it refreshing, about 2 ounces. The third layer is blue Curacao for the sky. Add just a splash to cover the spirits. And finally, the top layer, whipped topping. Remember, shake well before using. I'll be using a regular whip for today, but in the parks, they use a lemon lime whipped topping. I couldn't find it at my local shop, so this will do. And there you go, the Fun Wheel, inspired by Disney California Adventure. Hope you guys had a great time. Try this at home and enjoy. Best part is, we're gonna have fun.